Rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest.
Well, hey guys, welcome back. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. You're so appreciated. Well, I'm so excited today, guys. I'm participating in a fairy garden tablescape that is going to be hosted by Grandma Sandy. She's a wonderful cheerleader of YouTube who has an amazing channel where she does gardening and creating and decor and DIYs and cozy corner videos with fairy garden videos that are to die for. So please give her some love and stop by. Also, Glamour Ellen, Faison for the love of decor, Ant from Decorating with Ant's Place, Leeny from Leenys World, and of course me, Lady Cinnamon. We're all co-hosting with her, so please stop by their channels and show them some love. These are some awesome, phenomenal, talented creators that, guys, let them know that I sent you because they are doing the thing, okay? And I'll leave all of their information in the description bar below, along with all the other creators. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my tablescape, and I'm gonna start with the center with this beautiful woven moss birdhouse that I picked up from Homegoods. Absolutely gorgeous. So when I saw it, I figured it looked perfect for what I'm going for a summer enchanted fairy tablescape. And I also paired that with this moss table runner that I got from Hobby Lobby. Now, I don't know if either one of these are still available in the stores, but guys, they are perfect. Do you see the texture and the realness of this placemat? I just think it's so beautiful. And it just reminds me of an enchanted fairy garden. OMG. And then I also went in with a lot of greenery, and we'll get into the details of that in a little while, along with some fairy lights. But I absolutely love the way this turned out. So guys, I'm starting with this large cabbage. I thought that my fairy would be me, and I live on top of Cabbage Hill in my home and village, and that's why I wanted to go with that and just have that resonate with this whole fairy garden theme. And with the fairy lights, I'm in my wheelhouse. I love creating these types of videos and content. As you can see, I got some river rocks that are at the bed of my dwelling as my fairyland. Those are from the Dollar Tree, believe it or not, guys, but it goes so well with my aesthetic. And I also have some moss butterflies on each side that I picked up from TJ Maxx. I love those. Now, I brought the lights up so I can go over my place setting. I'm starting my place setting with my placemats, which is a woven, simple, natural seagrass placemat that's absolutely gorgeous. And I'm also going to be using some wood flatware. That way it'll really lend itself to the aesthetic that I'm going for and make it all sort of harmonious with this theme. I got those off of Amazon, believe it or not, guys. But going down to my placemat, on top of my placemat, I have a large palm leaf that I'm in love with. I figured it would go perfect with this theme that I'm going for today, and I think it looks really well. But I really do love that natural look that I'm going for with earthy tones for my really pretty enchanted fairy garden tablescape. So I hope you guys like it also. So I also shop by home for some of my items, like this black dinner plate from Kirklands, and I'm just going to layer things. I'm going to be using this as actually my charger plate. And on top of that, I'm going to go on with the porcelain water wave plate that I got from I think it was Amazon, and it comes in different colors like blues and browns and greens, and I'm going to be placing that on top of my black dinner plate, and I think it absolutely looks gorgeous. And with that, it does have this really pretty water wave like look to it. I don't know if it's coming through on camera, but these are absolutely gorgeous, and it comes in this color and like a sea gray blue color, and I just love the details of it. It looks so perfect for what I'm going for. And then it also comes in like a nice green color, and then the edging is also lighter. Just love it. Now I'm gonna go on top of that with the layers with just a simple salad plate that goes with the black dinner plate from Kirklands, and I think it works well with, like I said, with the layering effect that I wanted to have. And to bring it all up, there's these crackle cream dessert plate. These are all in all the stores this year. but I wanted to bring it up from looking too dark, and I just love the way the layered look looks, and I think it goes and works well together. Now for my stemware, I went with a simple glass from the Dollar Tree. I just wanted to go with something plain, and I think it looks well, and hey, why not? My napkins I got off of Amazon. It looks like burlap, but it's not really burlap. It's more like a linen. And I just got a simple banana leaf napkin ring to go with that. I can leave all of these items in the description bar below if they're still available from the stores where I got everything and the things that I purchased off of Amazon, but I love the place setting. So guys, also I added in a lot of greenery. Most of my greenery actually came from the Hobby Lobby, but I just love the way it looks. It really, with the lights down and the fairy lights, it really gives you the feeling that you're in an enchanted fairy garden, and I just absolutely love it. And yeah, I hope you do too. Now some of these items I actually reused from a previous collaboration that I did with Grandma Sandy, and I love collabing with her. So guys, basically that's it. I hope you like what I was able to create here. Don't forget to go and look at all of the other co-hosts and the hosts, and that will be in the description bar below, and all of the other creators that will be participating in this open invite collab, and the playlist will also be in the description bar below. So I hope you guys like what I created. This was so much fun. I want to thank the host, Grandma Sandy, for the awesome invite. It has been a true pleasure as always when I do anything with her. So guys, I hope you like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much for stopping by and spending some of your time with me, and I'll see you all in the next video, and thank you all for watching.